How to do the decline bench press. First, you have to lie down on a decline bench and secure your legs at the end. Lift the bar from the rack using a medium weight grip. Hold it over yourself with your arms locked. Your arms should be perpendicular to the floor. This is now your starting position. As you inhale, bring the bar down slowly until you feel the bar on your chest. Pause slightly at this point. Then, move the bar back up to the starting position as you exhale. Use your chest muscles to push the bar. Hold for a second and then bring the bar down slowly again. Just repeat the exercise for the number of reps in your set.